showing you how to charge your ONSON robot vacuum. This is the model BR151. So what happens is, if the vacuum is just sitting there without turning it on, I noticed that the battery dies on its own. I had it fully charged when it was sitting there, and it died on its own. So I'm gonna just letting you know. And then now I'm gonna show you how to easily charge it. Make sure your base is against the wall, and you know that it's charging when it's both green in the light where it shows. Again, if you need to store your ONSON robot vacuum and you want it to be ready the next time you use it, it has to be in the base. It has to remain charged. Otherwise, if you take it off the base, it will not. It will drain the battery. So that's what I noticed. And do not lose the remote because you will need it for operating.